Ensemble Connector is our virtualization platform for hosting VNFs. With Ensemble Connector, you can host any VNF and connect it to carrier Ethernet or IP networks. With low-cost servers, you can achieve low latency, low jitter, and high throughput. And on high-end servers, you can take advantage of the full service assurance features in Connector. So Connector will let you deploy VNFs anywhere in the network, assure virtualized services, and reap the benefits of network functions virtualization.